Welcome back to this third and final video on simulation.
Just take care of our
नीचे भी
scaffolding again.
So the standing, first catch some on the top so that it doesn't go down.
One second, let's hold this here.
So now we need to secure the base. Leave it. Now let's secure the base.
Which will be better. I think it's done.
Okay.
We can actually keep going if we want to remove the.
Yeah, we can
No,
try with one more.
no.
Let's
So let's-
It will start sagging out. I'm telling you.
Sure.
Yes.
Let's try at least. Maybe.
Then why don't we secure the base and then we start with the
So
farm?
we will. Somebody will hold.
Yeah.
Somebody
So
can
what we'll
hold.
do? Hold on. We'll secure the base much more. We'll secure the base much more and then start constructing from the top.
More.
Yeah.
This is a vacant
On the
area.
same one?
On the same one.
Vacant-
On the same
vacant
one.
area.
Same, yeah.
यहाँ से
Reinforce
बहुत
the same.
Yeah,
from
can you-
this side,
can
from this
So
one-
side.
reinforce the same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you better stick it out,
Yeah,
right?
Give me a.
From that side वो ये साइड से बहुत है सब
Yeah, ये साइड पे कुछ भी नहीं है.
हाँ.
Yeah. नहीं. Here,
उसके साथ
you have to
लगा
add to it.
डबल कर
Yeah, double कर दो. Then we can pick
और
up.
एक दे देना नीचे
नहीं, इधर.
इसके बेस को देना पूरा
So over here.
And यहाँ पे. Wait. हाँ. Should we remove the marshmallow for now?
नहीं, that's a marshmallow.
you put one more at this base
Yeah. Yeah, here.
You can remove the marshmallow and then
right two I think I would suggest
Yeah, keep two
that is
together.
maybe even three
Can somebody
नीचे also.
stick it out? Yeah.
हाँ बहुत है हमारे
Over here.
नीचे ये जो टेप है उसकी just
So it cannot be stuck on the floor. I told you freestanding. I use the word freestanding many
Okay.
times.
Stuck on the floor.
We cannot put the tapes over here.
you cannot
Okay,
Can
hold
we-
on. We can do that. You put the marshmallow. We'll remove one by one.
I said repeatedly freestanding.
Freestanding. Okay.
ये कहाँ से गिर गया?
No. It's okay. It's okay. We'll remove it. This is gone. Okay.
One second.
This is the link. So what do we do? Construct another one to support this. That's it.
Actually, no. Now we need a support from here to
That's
here.
okay. That's what I'm trying to say.
You
That's
want
what.
to set a reinforcement?
Yeah. Set a reinforcement and remove these.
This one?
So let's.
No. Over here.
यहाँ
You-
ऐसा.
ऐसा.
ऐसा कर.
Take one more over here.
If you can stick this, I need one more. हाँ.
Yeah. You catch it.
Stick it up together.
No, it's okay. A little
Now
more.
let's stick
Yeah.
it here. And उधर भी यहाँ पर ऐसा लगना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, let it.
5 minutes left.
yeah ये साइड
Let it remove the tapes. Remove
Yeah.
the tapes.
Let's remove the tapes. One is gone.
Let it,
One is yeah.
Start figuring out.
Hold on.
actually, it's mostly stuck on the table
Yes.
only. It's not stuck anywhere.
Hold on.
Middle वाला भी careful हाँ.
Yeah. That's it. Oh, hold on.
One second.
We'll take this one over here. Yeah.
So now
ये साइड से लगेगा
हाँ, ये दो है ना ऐसा भी और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
No. It's okay. Leave it. One second. You leave it. It'll stand. Just leave it. Leave it. 1 second.
Stretch it a bit and leave it.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Don't swing. It's stable. Top.
Yeah. Yes. That's it.
Okay.
What are your thoughts on simulation? How did it go? As I have done in other tutorials, I have, in following few slides, identified specific behaviors representing the 4 competencies and have given my rating to all participants. Look at the slides and compare my rating with what you might have mentally done. Tell me, what could the participants have done better in this simulation? Let me give you my thoughts on this. The whole group missed an important aspect of the briefing. The instructions were very clear, tallest freestanding structure. Group missed it and then struggled later. The group did not use full 18 minutes. Had the group tracked time well, they could have used extra time to increase the height of the structure. They had finished 3 minutes earlier. Thinking beyond the obvious was not observed to any great extent. If you go back to what I said earlier in the video, many new thoughts could have been brought by any of the participants. For example, someone could have said, let us think of a process that will help us maximize our goals. Since we want to make the tallest structure with these sticks with marshmallow on top, we should make a small structure and then test whether it can support the marshmallow and then make a higher structure. This will demonstrate process thinking. Or someone could have said, let's first ascertain whether it is productive to use sticks singly, in twos, or in threes. We will need to get a balance between better strength of the base and higher structure. This will demonstrate ideation. Or someone could have said jokingly, I feel bad about wastage of so much food, marshmallow, spaghetti. We should have used some of the material, showing concern for the planet. Or, while discussing the structural aspect of the tower, say, a triangle is supposed to be an extremely strong base. When we think of a geometric shape of an equilateral triangle, all kinds of thoughts come to mind. The magic of pyramids, equality, focus. Let us start with a triangle as a base. Remember, these are my thoughts. You should have your own original thoughts. Think of the assessor observing you and looking for new ideas, restriction and limitation here. Your perspective should be novel and also related to the task at hand. So, while you continue to contribute to the group task, do not get too consumed by it. Keep thinking how you can bring something not so obvious. Again, there is no script here. The next point, we also did not observe participants praising and encouraging each other. We did not see aspects of encouraging team members who were quiet. As I said before, the group could have tried to achieve more and not remain satisfied with what was done with reasonable comfort and ease. Many participants say that they did not get enough time to state or do things, or they were not given opportunity by others. However, 25 to 30 minutes is a long time. Even if there are 6 persons in a group, each person still has about 4 to 6 minutes. This is a lot of time for you to express yourself. The final rating of the participants in the 4 competencies will be a combination of positives I have rated and what they could have done better. To conclude, start keeping these in mind in everything you do in your professional and personal life. In time, these will become part of you. They will become your default drive. Please note that the team's final success on the given task, height of the freestanding structure here, does not have too much impact on your rating on the competencies. Friends, now you have a good idea about what is assessed in a simple and seemingly childish activity like simulation. Write to us as to how we can make this video more effective for you. Also watch our videos on behavioral event interview, case analysis, one-on-one role play, entry exercise, group discussion, and more. For any queries and clarifications, please write to the email address given here. Happy learning!